Hi, in this video I am going to look at a case where aggregate expenditure is less than real GDP according to the Keynesian Cross Model. Before going over the question, let me draw the graph showing the equilibrium and the current situation in the economy so that we can better understand the situation. So, if we draw our Keynesian Cross Model, in the horizontal axis we have real GDP, on the vertical axis we have aggregate expenditure, planned aggregate expenditure. We draw our 45-degree line, and we have aggregate planned expenditure curve. So now let me quickly name them. This is our aggregate expenditure. This is 45-degree line. This point A is where aggregate expenditure is equal to real GDP. That is our equilibrium condition in Keynesian Cross Model, when actual spending is equal to planned aggregate expenditures. So if we are to the left of equilibrium point, we have aggregate expenditure is higher than real GDP. So as you can see over there, people want to buy more, but there is not enough production. So in a sense, you could say this is excess demand in the economy. People want to buy more, but there is not enough production. So what's going to happen? Companies are going to sell from their inventories. That's going to decrease in inventory investment spending. As a result, there is going to be a decrease in unplanned investment spending. So this is a situation where unplanned investment spending is less than zero, because what's happening in here, since there is not enough production to meet the demand, companies will sell from inventories. And this is unplanned, that's why it is going to go down, which means next period output will increase because now we have a reduction in their inventories. On the other hand, if we are to the right of equilibrium point where real GDP is higher than aggregate planned expenditure, you could say this is like an excess supply in the economy. So what's happening? There is too much production, not enough demand. So what's going to happen? Companies are not going to throw them to the ocean. They're going to add those overproduced material into their inventory. So there is going to be unplanned increase in inventory spending. So I would say in a case like that, unplanned investment spending will get up, because since you cannot sell it, what will happen? Companies will put unsold items into inventories. So what's going to happen next period? The adjustment will be through a reduction in GDP. Output will go down in the next period because they want to first sell from their inventory. So now we can look at the question. The question is saying that according to the Keynesian Cross Model, if planned aggregate expenditure is less than total production, which of the following will be true? So we are in a sense looking for the situation where economy is in this area, which means total output is higher than the aggregate expenditure. So definitely we are not in equilibrium, right? Economy is off the equilibrium, and in the adjustment process output should go down, as you can see in here. So this is not a good answer. GDP should go down. When we are talking about output, we are talking about real GDP. So what is going to happen? This is the best answer. On the other hand, we can rule out C, because only when we are in equilibrium actual inventories will equal planned inventories. When we are off the equilibrium, to the right of equilibrium point or to the left, doesn't matter, actual inventory spending will be not equal to the planned inventory spending. So this is gonna be best answer. Economy is experiencing unplanned increase in inventory spending.